My project is about whether or not it's ethical to have a COVID-19 vaccine mandate. So I looked at human rights and also the factors that affected the vaccine in order to come to my conclusion. So I came to the conclusion that it wouldn't be ethical to have a full mandate, but that it could be ethical for partial mandates, such as on healthcare workers, as the obstruction to the right to life would be more prominent. Also, it wouldn't be ethical as the fact that while with smallpox, which was another case study that I looked at, while that was wiped out, it was the virus itself was less likely to mutate, whereas COVID mutates quite easily. I was interested in medical ethics because I thought I wanted to do medicine for a while, but I just generally found vaccines and why people refuse them quite interesting, because I personally take all the vaccines I get, but I know that other people have their reasons for refusing them, and I wanted to understand that a bit more. I found out that the vaccinations, there are two different ways of measuring how effective they are, and I didn't know this before. And the RRR is the relative risk reduction, which is what people more know as the efficacy of the vaccine, which is how effective it is. But there's also the NNV, which is the number needed to vaccinate, and that's how effective it is at reducing the risk to other people. So Pfizer's got a very high RRR, so it means if you have the Pfizer, you're less likely to become ill with the virus, whereas with AstraZeneca, it has a lower RRR, but it's less easy for it to spread to other people if you have that vaccine. So it reduces the risk to other people if you have AstraZeneca. I quite like looking at the data, which some people might find quite boring, but it was quite interesting because I didn't know anything, whereas I kind of already know the facts that are in the media, but I didn't know the precise statistics, and some of them were quite shocking, so it was quite interesting to find out about that. I quite like making the board, so that was quite fun as well.